Hello, everyone. My name is Jill Sorensen. I'm the Product Support Manager at MusicMaster. We're here today to talk about interfacing with PlayMPE. PlayMPE is a digital music service, and you can import the information from that service directly into MusicMaster, saving you a lot of time. And here to show you this very simple process is Aaron Taylor.
Thank you, Jill. First, you'll want to get in contact with your music scheduling consultant and ask them to send you the PlayMPE library synchronization definition file. We've already done most of the hard work. We've worked with the PlayMPE folks to generate a definition file that is matched to the metadata that will come out in this process and will easily be able to be imported into your MusicMaster dataset. So you'll want to ask your music scheduling consultant to provide you with the PlayMPE library synchronization file. This file will need to be placed into your CMM directory, and you'll probably spend a couple of minutes on the phone as well with your scheduling consultant to customize the definition file to your individual database and the fields, as well as customize the path that MusicMaster will find the PlayMPE data. So you'll want to have that file before we get started on this process. Once that file is in place and has been configured for your individual data set and your individual network or individual workstation, we'll be able to start the process. I've got a demonstration MusicMaster database here that will come back in just a moment, but let's go ahead now and launch into the PlayMPE interface. We're looking at my downloaded library files here, and I'm going to bring in 2 new ads this week. I've decided that I'm going to bring in the Katy Perry Fireworks song as well as Taylor Swift Mine. So I'm going to go ahead and left-click and drag and drop from my library window into the Play and Burn/Export window in the PlayMPE interface. So there's Katy Perry, and there's Swift. And for this particular process, we're going on Export Tracks. Now this is going to bring the metadata for these 2 songs into the MusicMaster file, as well as bring the song data itself. It's going to convert the proprietary audio format into a WAV or MP3 file or whatever you choose. So we're going to select Export Tracks. And it's going to bring up a properties box here that we're going to want to do a little bit of configuration. Now I've already ran through this process once. The first time that you go through this process, you'll need to set a couple of these property boxes. Specifically, you'll want to check the Export Audio File box and decide what sort of audio file you want this to be translated into, perhaps a WAV, an MP3, or one of the other proprietary formats that's select here. We'll also verify that the output folder path is the same here as it is in the library synchronization def. And again, your music scheduling consultant can help you identify and set that. And then we'll also want to look at export track information. Most important thing here is to make sure that Generate Track Info ASCII Files MusicMaster is selected. Once we run through this process once in PlayMPE, this information will save. We won't have to do this each time. So once we've double-checked this and everything is correct, we'll click Export. I'm bringing in the Taylor Swift and the Katy Perry song. So not only is the audio being converted into a format that we can use on our automation system, it's also bringing the metadata over. So this will take just a few moments here. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, it will tell us when it's finished. And then we can go back into MusicMaster and bring the metadata into the database. Watch in the lower right-hand corner of my screen. All right, so we're ready back to MusicMaster. So I'll go back to my task manager here and bring up the MusicMaster database. We've placed the library synchronization file into our CMM directory. We know it's been configured, so now we can go to Dataset, Library, and Synchronize. And it will show us that we have a PlayMPE import definition file that we can utilize here. We'll go ahead and select Run Selected Synchronization. It'll take just a couple of seconds, telling us now that that new song information has been brought into MusicMaster. And it will create a category called New. This will reside in the category list moving forward. Every time you bring in new songs from PlayMPE, the new songs will be found in the new category. So let's double check that. And there they are, the Katy Perry and the Taylor Swift song. With that we typically want to bring over from PlayMPE, that's going to save us a lot of time entering all this information in the song card, the title, the artist, the runtimes, as well as the file information. That's it. If you have any questions or would like to get this set up, please get in contact with your music scheduling consultant, and we'd be happy to help you get this going. Thanks for your time, and thanks for watching today.
And thank you, Aaron. Aaron Taylor, showing how simple it is to set up the import from PlayMPE to MusicMaster. As he said, just a reminder, if you need assistance with this, just call your music scheduling consultant, and they will be happy to take a few minutes and get this all set up for you. Thanks.